Do you need a quick morning stretch before you tackle your workout? We'll be stretching it out in this video so you can get ready to train hard. Now, before we dive into these stretches today, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach with over a decade of experience helping women get fit, lose weight, and change their lives through my online workouts and programs. And in this video, we are going to be stretching it out. We'll be doing dynamic stretches to help you get your body ready for your workout. This is such a great way to make sure that your body's nice and warm, you have the blood flow going, and you prevent injury in the long run. We don't want to do our workouts super cold. So we got to warm up that body. We'll be doing a couple of different exercises, about 45 seconds of each exercise, and then we'll be ready for our workout after that. So let's get to it. Now for the lateral lunges, you want to step nice and wide. Bend deeply into one knee, keeping the other leg straight, hinging those hips back and down, really feeling that stretch along the inner thighs and outer glutes, and then passing through center and switching to the other side. You want to make sure that your knee is in line with your toe, your chest is up, and your shoulders are back and down. For the runner's lunge press, you want to make sure that you're kneeling, stepping your foot in front of the knee so that when you hinge from those hips and press those hips forward, the knee should be in line with the ankle. Reach that opposite hand up and over to really get a nice deep stretch along your armpits, your side body, and down to your hip flexor. Again, we're gonna do this on the other side. Really take your time to lubricate those hip joints. Go nice and slow. We don't want to be jolting in our movements, but really pressing through and feeling the stretch, going nice and slow since we're still waking up the body. For your cat and cow, stack the shoulders on top of the wrists, hips on top of the knees, nice flat back to start. You're gonna arch the spine, eyes gaze forward, lift that tailbone up to the sky. Then on your exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, pelvis tucks under. Really go nice and slow, feeling this movement as you match your breath to your movement. So inhale on the arch, exhale on the contraction. Now for the downward facing dog calf raises, really play around with how your body feels today. You can pedal those knees right and left, stretching each calf separately, or you can lift those heels up at the same time, then drive them down to the floor. So really do what works for you. I'm doing a couple of different variations here and just noticing and becoming aware of how my body feels, feeling that nice stretch along the hamstrings, calves, shoulders, and back. Now for the knee hug to quad stretch, you want to balance, keep that core nice and tight as you drive that knee up to the chest, straighten out the opposite leg to feel that hip flexor, and then you're gonna kick that foot into your hand. Keep those knees in line with each other as you feel that stretch on the top of your quad. These side body reaches are the perfect way to start your morning training session. Really reach those hands up nice and high as you twist and rotate from the side body, reaching as far as you can, keeping those feet nice and wide so that you have a wide base of support here, and really keep that core engaged. You'll feel this all along the side body and hips. For the hamstring stretches, you want to kick the heel down towards the ground, point the toes towards the nose as you hinge those hips back, reach those fingers down towards your feet, lift up nice and high, and then switch sides. You should be feeling the stretch all along your hamstrings, the back of the thighs. For the wide plie down and up, you want to make sure that your legs are wider than shoulder distance, heels in, toes out. Really reaching that chest down towards the floor, then arching the spine on the way up. This is getting nice and deep into those inner thighs, waking your legs up, but also lubricating your spine and your core to make sure that you're ready to go. hope you enjoyed those stretches. If you did, like and comment below and let me know how you feel. As always, I post a new workout video or diet tip every single week, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you want more live workouts from me where you feel like I'm teaching you directly in your living room, head to jennyjfitness.com and get a 7-day free trial to my on-demand program. I have full-length classes from cardio, toning, Pilates, dance, and so much more. So feel free to head to the link in the description below to start your free trial. If you're ready to train with me, check out these videos here to get your workout on, and I'll see you next time.